Want to add funds to your Cash App balance using your debit card? It's a straightforward process. First, open the Cash App and tap on the Balance tab. Then select Add Cash and choose Debit Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Cash App might place a small temporary charge, like under 99 cents on your card, to verify it, but don't worry, this will be refunded. Once the card is linked, you can select the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance. You'll then have the option of a standard transfer, 1 to 3 business days and free, or an instant transfer. Confirm your choice, keeping in mind any associated fees for instant options. Let's talk about fees and some essential things to keep in mind. Standard transfers from your debit card to Cash App are free, but take 1 to 3 business days. If you need the funds immediately, you can opt for an instant transfer, but this comes with a fee, typically around 3% of the transferred amount. However, keep an eye out for boosted instant transfers, which may offer a reduced fee of around 2% for eligible users, particularly those verified through biometric authentication. Note, ATM withdrawals from Cash App balance incur fees, $2.50, $5.50, plus a 1.5% fee. Always ensure your debit card has sufficient funds and is active. Transfer limits vary based on your verification level. Unverified users have lower limits, around $250 a day, while verified users can transfer significantly more, up to $500 a day. Cash App employs encryption and complies with PCI DSS standards to protect your financial information.